Hey guys, Mom and Son Train Rail fans coming to you from the train building. Just want to give you a shot of one of the Godzilla monsters I'm getting ready to take off with the 3D printer. This one took right at about 4 hours, and it will be on the layout later. Thanks. Okay guys, this is one of the sea creatures from the Godzilla. I'm getting ready to remove the supports and let it cure outside, and then it will get put on the layout. Okay guys, now he's under the UV light drying. He'll be on the layout in a little bit. Hey guys, Mom and Son Train Rail fans coming to you. Want to show you another 3D print that just finished, and I'm going to take it off, take the supports off, and then I'll show you. Stay tuned. Okay guys, here's the spider, who is also one of Godzilla monsters. So I'm going to take the supports off and put them under the UV light. Okay guys, there it is, the spider, and it's getting ready to go underneath the UV light. Yep, now it's under the UV light and it has to cure. Then I can paint it. And we have one more getting done on the printer, and it will be done in about an hour and a half. And I'll show you that one.